straight?
Continue straight to stay on Jalan P. Ramlee. In 300 meters, turn right onto Jalan Ampang.
What are you recording? No.
In 400 meters, take exit 1201 BJLN. Take exit 1201 BJLN, Sultan Ismail, then keep left at the fork.
Okay.
Yes.